We'll try to see the different VPN types. Now mainly there are two types of VPNs. We have site-to-site VPN or remote access VPN. Now the basic difference between these two is site-to-site are also called as LAN-to-LAN VPNs. In site-to-site we have a main LAN, the main head office, and this head office is, we just want this head office to get connected to different small sites on a remote location. So what we are doing is we are using the existing infrastructure like internet. Now we generally use internet because it's a little bit cost-effective solution. So basically, or it can be any other network, but mainly we use internet. So we will be connecting these sites to the head office. So basically the communication is between LAN to LAN. So here our requirement is the branch offices should be able to communicate with each other. So we call it as site-to-site or LAN-to-LAN VPNs. So whereas in the remote access VPN or remote VPNs, we have a mobile user. Let's say I'm sitting in my home and I got a requirement to do some changes to my data center or maybe some network. So I need to changes to maybe a server or maybe a router. So now you need to access this device remotely from your home. So what we can do is I can remotely connect by using some application. I can connect to my gateway. Now this gateway is like can be a router or can be an ASA firewall or any other firewall. So once you connect to this gateway, it is going to securely connect or establish a tunnel between these two endpoints. And of course, authentication, there are many other things you do. And once this secure tunnel is established, now you can access the resources of your company network as if you are not sitting in your home, you are sitting in the office. So you can access resources depending upon the level of access you have, as if you are sitting in your office and you can connect to any device in general. So we call this as a remote access VPNs. So basically the same thing as I explained, site-to-site VPNs, the communication between LAN to LAN. And again, if you're connecting to internet, basically it needs to have a public IP over internet on the remote sites. And these VPN gateways, as I said, can be a router or can be a firewall, any firewall it can be. Some of the common examples of site-to-site VPN are going to be GRE, TM VPN, IPsec, Flex VPN, Get VPN. So each and every VPN type, the way it is configured, the features may vary, but they all provide a LAN-to-LAN communication. Similar way, we have something like remote access VPNs. And remote access VPNs, as I explained, you will be using some kind of software. Like nowadays we use AnyConnect software. And this software allows you to connect to the remote gateway securely from your place. And you can access the resources of your LAN as if you are sitting in the LAN. So again, there are two types of protocols we'll be using, SSL or IPv2 or IPsec protocols.